Hello and welcome to this class of Industrial Inorganic Chemistry, where we were talking about some of the basic materials such as water, hydrogen and some of the peroxides molecules industrially important. Those molecules we will see today. So, as we are talking about the most important thing is water for industrial point of view, and this water we have seen that this can be utilized for different purposes. So, if we consider that the water can be utilized for some reaction, for some solvent purpose, to some where we can use this particular water as a catalyst, that we have seen in detail in our previous classes. Today we will see how we can get this particular water molecules or a very pure quality of water, because it is important in many processes such that we can have a wide ranges of purification processes which can be developed in time also. So, pure quality of water and some of these waters how we can utilize industrially, that we will see. And we have seen that we can have different processes where this particular molecule of water can be utilized for a reactant. So, what are those cases? As we have seen earlier, that sulfuric acid production is also an important part where we can use or utilize water for the reaction of sulfur trioxide. Similarly, during phosphoric acid production, if we can have, as we know from the very simple reaction, that P2O5, the phosphorus pentoxide, when it reacts with water molecule, it gives you H3PO4. So, say phosphoric acid and related other acids, if we can have the corresponding phosphorus based anhydrides where no hydrogen is present. So, basically we will be talking about these oxides, and these oxides when they react with water molecule, they can give rise to the corresponding acidic form. So, acidic anhydrides can give us the corresponding acids in large scale, because the production of sulfuric acid, production of phosphoric acid in large scale is very important for different other industrially important compound preparations. Similarly, for the production of sodium hydroxymethyl sulfonate, we can use water for the introduction of, as we can see from the name only, that hydroxymethyl sulfonate function can be obtained from the water molecule present over there as a material which can be component of our reaction. Then we can have the chloralkali process, which is nothing but the electrolysis of sodium chloride, and the byproduct of that particular chloralkali process, that we will see once again also during the electrolysis of NaCl, we can get the use of this particular that means that sodium chloride electrolysis, we have to use the water molecule present over there. Then Ostwald processes, different other name processes like Solvay process, ilmenite process and gold cyanide refining is also dependent on the water molecule, as well as the quality of the water molecule involved in those industrial processes. So, we will see now that how we can utilize these, as well as some of the water molecule we can consume as a potable water molecule, because not all other water molecules starting from our sources from the sea water to the river water or the groundwater water level, we cannot get everything as a potable water. So, what are these difficult things what we can use to make the water potable or utilizable for our consumption? We can have several techniques. One is, the most important technique is the chlorination or ozonization. The chlorination and ozonization is therefore very important, because it can kill the corresponding bacteria or the germs present in the water molecule. That means also the some organic original molecules or some material which can be killed due to chlorination. That means chlorine can also be utilized for the oxidation process. Then this particular water molecule can also be utilized for the flocculation. That means if we can go for the typical coagulation and flocculation can go side by side. So, flocculation process is the different flocks which can be combined together for getting the different flakes and which can be separated out. Then for the sedimentation process, that means some unwanted material or some unwanted part of these important things are also separated out as a sediment from the water molecule. So, if a water molecule which is very much muddy in nature, we can go for its sedimentation process, and that particular sedimentation process can take up some of the other inorganic salts such as sodium arsenate, calcium carbonate and all other thing which can be separated out. And the fourth technique, which is also very much useful, is the filtration. We will see once again also. We can have different types of electrolysis of NaCl, and we can in laboratory, as we all know, the filter papers are utilized sodium chloride